What's up, everyone? It's Mr. Learner. I am recording live from my kitchen in my apartment. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. We are starting something today called the Peirce Math Challenge. A bunch of your teachers are going to be posting once a day to give you just something interesting and fun to work on each day. It's going to come to your Google Classroom. Work on it, submit it, and then check the video for the next day. We're going to be shouting out, who worked on it, who solved the problem in an interesting way, and just a chance for us to connect. And then in the next video, we'll share the next day's problem. So the first problem today is actually pretty tough, and it's called amicable numbers. So I'm going to write that here. Amicable is just another way of saying friendly. So these are two numbers that go together in a special way, and people have known about these types of numbers for thousands of years. The ancient Greeks, Middle Eastern, and Arab mathematicians. So these numbers are pretty famous. Your job today is going to be trying to find the smallest pair of numbers that go together in a special way. So I'm going to start off by trying to find some, and by me trying to find them, you're going to see how to do it yourself. So I'm going to look for two numbers that have something special when you add up their factors. So I'm just going to try, okay? So I'm going to try today with 40 and 50. Okay, so first job to try to find these numbers that go together in a special way, and we'll see if these are them, is just to find the factors of each one. So I'm going to start with 40. So 1 times 40 works out. The next factor that I can find is 2 times 20. Looks good. The next type of factor I can find is, nope, 3 doesn't work, so we'll try 4. 4 times 10 works, and also 5 times 8. And I think I found them all. And now I'm going to try 50. I'm going to find the factors of 50. 1 times 50, 2 times 25, nothing for 3, nothing for 4, and 5 times 10 equals 50. Now here's to see if the numbers work together. I'm going to add up all the factors of both, and I'm going to see if when I add them up, they equal the other number. So let's start with 50. I'm not going to add the number itself for this problem. So let's add up these. 25 plus 10 is 35, plus 5 is 40, 42, one more is 43. Got close. Let's just see what happens with 40. Okay, so I'm just going to add up the factors of 40. Not going to include 40 itself. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 8, 38. Plus 2 is 40. 45. 49. 50. Oh my gosh. So that one actually worked. This number's factors add up to 50, but this number's factors do not equal 43. So this does not work. But there are two numbers that you can find using this method that do work together, and people have known about these numbers for thousands of years. They're called amicable numbers. You can use guess and check, all different types of methods. I'll give you one hint. The two numbers you're looking for are less than 300. So that helps you cap it a little bit so you're not looking for all sorts of crazy numbers. They'll be less than 300. If you find them, submit it on Google Classroom. Even if you don't find it, submit us a note, tell us what you worked on, send a picture of your work, tell us how it went, and we'll shout you out tomorrow, and we'll give you tomorrow's problem the next day. All right, stay safe, we love you, and have fun working on the problem.